I'm sure you must have seen so many platforms whereby people are advertising that they sell followers, likes, or they can help you increase your subscribers on any social media platform. And they do this at a cost and they make extra money from it. Do you know that you can also do the same? And they've got platforms where they get all of this followers, likes for any social platform and they resell it to people for a couple of money. And also another thing that people do as well is just to list all the services on Fiverr and then put a price on it and they make money from it. If you go on Fiverr and you type, I would like to sell followers, I would like to buy followers for this and that, that's Facebook, Instagram, any platform of any type, you'll be able to see loads of people selling these services for others, and you also can replicate the service. But the question is, how do you start? My name is Michael. I make content around how to make passive income on the internet and talk about tech products as well. If you find any of my video interesting, please do like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So let's dive into it straight away. There are platforms whereby people use in order to sell followers or buy followers, and it's not something that in an hidden position. But how do you start? Number one is you need to register on this website called justanotherpanel.com. I'm not affiliated to them. I'm not making any money out of it, but this is just me sharing this for educational purpose and for anybody who is looking out to make extra income for themselves. So what you can do is register on that platform and you see loads of services from Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and many more of them, Snapchat. You can buy followers, likes, and anything you want, you can buy it there. But these followers, likes are majorly bought. I need to let you know that oftentimes people just use it in order to boost their appearance on social media platform, add to their followers and all of that. But at the same time, we have people who are also paying for the services. So how can you make money from it? After registering, you fund the account and then you can resell the service to other people. Some of the services are very cheap and you can add your own profit margin to it. In order to make profit out of this, or in order to have customers out of this service, what you would do is just to reduce your profit margin at first so that you can entice a lot of people to come and buy the service from you. And some of the things that sell the most is TikTok, Instagram, and also probably YouTube or thereabout. But I know TikTok, Instagram, and sometimes people buy Telegram and Snapchat. So if you advertise this thing very well, you'll be able to make profit out of it and you can add your own profit margin to it. But if you're somebody that is not good when it comes to using social media for advertisement and all of that, what you can do instead is just to list this service on Fiverr. If you go on Fiverr, you can see 3 to 4 people doing similar things and just scroll. You can pick any one of them and just look at their profile and use ChatGPT in order to tweak your own profile as regard the service, and then you can list the service for as low as $5, $10, and $30, depending on the number of followers or likes people wants to buy from you. And from there, you can then make money by gaining extra income from that. If you find this video very helpful, just drop a comment below, and also if you need any support regarding this, just drop a message in the comment section. I'll be open to give more details about this. And for anyone who is also interested in using this for themselves, you can also buy followers, likes, and all of those things for yourself. But you just need to be sure that this is not real followers. They are mostly bots and they will not interact with your future posts. They are just there to increase the numbers, and that's all. All right, thank you very much. This will be a short one and I'll be dropping the next video. Make sure you watch it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.